If you are facing issues with copy-pasting in Google Chrome, the process to fix it is quite similar to general copy-paste troubleshooting in Windows. First, let's try clearing your clipboard history. Press the Windows key, along with the V key, to open the clipboard interface. Once it is open, look for an option that says Clear All and click on it. After clearing the clipboard, try copy-pasting again. This step often resolves the issue. If clearing the clipboard does not solve the problem, we will move on to checking Chrome extensions. Open the Windows search bar and type Chrome. Then, open the Chrome application. In the top right corner of Chrome, you will see 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots to open the menu. From the drop-down menu, select Extensions, and then click on Manage Extensions. Here, you will see a list of all your installed extensions. Carefully review them, and disable any extension that you suspect might be causing conflicts with the copy-paste functionality. As another troubleshooting step, you can also try clearing your browsing data. Once again, click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome. This time, select History, and then click on History again from the sub-menu. On the History page, you will find an option to delete browsing data. Click on that. In the window that appears, change the time range to all time. Then, click on the Delete button. This action will remove temporary files and cache that might be interfering with Chrome's operation. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.